Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Your Xbox model, firmware, storage, and a GeForce Now account with an appropriate subscription. Once done, make sure your home network delivers roughly 25 plus Mbps for cloud gaming. Lower speeds cause lag. Next, prepare any intermediate device, PC or router, for port forwarding and test connectivity. If you plan to use Xbox developer features, enable developer mode now. These immediate steps get you into a position to route streaming to the console without wasting time. Now configure the actual streaming path. Open Edge on Xbox or sideload the compatible client and sign into GeForce Now. This gives you the Nvidia endpoint. Then assign a static IP to the Xbox and configure port forwarding, TCP 443 plus the UDP ranges Nvidia uses, on your router so packets route reliably. Once network rules are in place, tweak the streaming settings, choose resolution and frame rate, enable low latency mode, and set Co-S to prioritize the Xbox for smoother performance. Finish by launching a game and evaluating performance. Watch latency, frame drops, and artifacts, then adjust bitrate and quality settings until you reach the sweet spot. If problems persist, reboot your modem and router, relaunch the streaming client, and test from a PC to determine whether the issue is the Xbox or your network. Make sure Ethernet is used when possible, eliminate double NAT, and confirm both Xbox and router firmware are current. One key tip: temporarily lower resolution to confirm bandwidth is the limiting factor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.